Hello everyone, this is your walkthrough for Thursday's arithmetic lesson. So, question number 1, we have 65 take away 8. Now, some of you were asking me questions about the number line method, so I'm going to show you the number line method using this very simple subtraction. So when we subtract, we can also do it by counting on. So, we draw our number line. We put the smallest number on the left hand side and the largest number on the right hand side. Then we start to do bounces in order to get from the smallest number to the biggest number. Now the rule for the first bump is to try and get to the nearest number in the 10 times table. So from 8 I know that the first tens number I'd be going to 10, so I'm going to do a small jump. And knowing my number bonds, I'm going to be adding 2. Let me change my 2. There we go, adding 2. And this will get me to 10. Now, I now know that I can jump in multiples of 10 in order to get to 60. So let's think about how many multiples of 10 I need to do in order to get to 60. So if you need a little bit of help, you know that you can put 10 in your head and count on in tens. So I'm going to do that now for those of you that need that help. 10, counting on 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That was adding 50. So I'm going to jump almost to the end because I am quite close to our end number. So 60 there, and I have added 50. Now all I have left is a jump of 5. Now we are not finished there, we simply need to add the top numbers together. So 2 and 5 is 7, add 50, my answer would be 57. Okay, question number 2. Laura has £85 and Josh has 25. How much more does Laura have? Now this question is about finding the difference. When we find the difference, we need to subtract. So again, we can do 85. I'm going to type this one. 85 take away 25. Now today, to practice this number line method, please use the number line to answer this one as well. So I'll draw one here to show you what I mean. Again, setting it up correctly, using a ruler to draw my line. The smallest number at the start, which is 25. The biggest number at the end, 85. Remember the rule about the first bounce, we're looking for the next multiple of 10. So 25, the next one would be 30. Great. Okay, now question number 3. 4 times 6 equals 6 times 4. Now, if I show you this array for the first one, let's make my pen a little larger so that you can see it a bit more clearly. Here we go. So, the 4 times table 6 times. So an array of 4 in a row. 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, I'm going to count in 4s in order to find out the answer. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So we have 24 in total here. Now the times table has changed, but the times table was already there as well. So we have the 6 times table. Remember, with multiplication, they can be swapped around. So looking at what we already have, what do you think the missing number would be for here? If you're not sure still, you can then change to do the other array. So it would be 6 in a row this time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many would you need to do to get to 24? Okay, so you could draw your array if you need to. So I've done 6 times 1, which would give me 6. How many times would you need to do that array in order to get to the same total? Because remember, this symbol here, the equal symbol, means that both sides are the same. So you would need to create an array that would total 24. Number 4. The side of a square measures 12 centimetres. So the side of one of the sides of the square equals 12 centimetres. What it's asking you is how long is the perimeter of the square. Now the perimeter is the total length around the whole square. So if I show you on my square drawing here, so the information you already have is that this side here is 12 centimetres. You need to work out how long all 4 sides are. So you have 1, and if you remember your shape knowledge, you know that the sides of a square are all equal. So you would need to do 12 how many times in order to work out the perimeter. Enjoy your arithmetic today, and I will post the answers later. Bye!